Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of a ClassDojo app. You will click on settings. In this list you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about ClassDojo app and you will enter. In this page of app info you will click on first app and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.